Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well during this challenging time. Today I'd like to talk to you a bit about mentors, where you can find them, who they are, and so on for the dropshipping industry. And I hope it's of some help. And if you like the content that you see, please use the bell icon to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our new content. And if you like this video, please use the thumbs up to like it so we know that it was useful to some people. So COVID-19 has had a substantial impact across the globe. Dropshipping sales volumes may also be declining in many categories because of the dire situation of the lockdowns. So today I want to delve into the world of mentors, and if you are already running a business and you have time, or you're planning to start a dropshipping business, this I hope will be of some value. This really is the best time to start learning from ground zero and scale your dropshipping business. For this, you need to find a mentor to master dropshipping using online platforms. You know, a dropshipping business is not as simple as it seems to be. If you've ever tried starting a business, you know the drill. There are many questions to consider. What are you going to sell? Who's going to supply you? And how are you going to build a solid marketing plan? Success does not come overnight. There can be years of struggle, experiments, trials and errors to achieve it. For this, you don't need to go through it all by yourself. Luckily, there are other successful dropshippers who have already experienced the highs and lows, walked out the other side with success, albeit perhaps with some battle scars. They've gone through the same struggles previously, which means you can learn from those and leapfrog with your progress. These experts know what worked and what doesn't. They've put in the hours, sometimes thousands of hours, and these leading entrepreneurs could be your mentor. So what can mentors do for your dropshipping business? Well, these expert mentors and entrepreneurs will make you aware of typical mistakes early on. They'll resolve your troublesome problems, shape your business acumen, hone your instincts, and meanwhile, you'll discover your full potential in your dropshipping business. It really is the smartest way to accelerate your progress, much more than with rigid methods of self-learning alone. You'll find mentors in every dropshipping field. Good mentors improve the performance of their mentees. You'll hardly find a true success story without the backing of a mentor. You know, according to research by Endeavour, entrepreneurs with mentors are 3 times more likely to succeed compared to entrepreneurs without mentors. So how do we reach these dropshipping mentors in this pandemic? Well, in the business of dropshipping and with the world the way it currently is, we suggest reaching mentors using the web. From previous successful mentor relationships, we can see that mentorship doesn't have to be a physical meeting with your mentor, nor does it mean you may ever speak to them, although that would be really nice to see the person who actually made a difference to your professional success, right? If you were worried that you'd have to hunt them down while they're on their way for a coffee, don't worry. Warren Buffett, for example, got inspiration from the book of his mentor. Likewise, you can consult the content in whatever way your mentor has chosen. You can find them on YouTube, Instagram, blogs, Facebook, other social media platforms, online academies, forums, online communities, dedicated websites for dropshipping businesses, and so on. The list is somewhat exhausting. Search engines is the ultimate first step solution to your questions though, and spending some time to research what you're looking for will be helpful. But we know you might be short on time, so to give you a head start, we've researched some of the best influencers in the dropshipping business world and also checked other methods that can help you find an authentic mentor and establish a successful dropshipping business. To confirm the credibility of your chosen mentor, you should check out their performance, history, credentials, and the way they transfer skills to their mentees and their audience. It is worth noting that different mentors can add different types of value. For example, a mentor may be for you a highly successful 9-figure revenue dropshipping business owner, but just as importantly, someone who is a commentator or supplier to the industry, such as a dropshipping software developer, may also provide useful insight that gives you the tools and perspective you need. You know, there are many leading entrepreneurs online that are influencing and mentoring the e-commerce space from years of achieving the success they earned. They're now pursuing further their e-commerce businesses. However, every mentor has a unique method and approach. So pick those that you can identify with, and if you're not on board with what they say, keep looking. I think a good place for me to start is with a fellow Kiwi from down the bottom of the world in New Zealand. Sarah Crisp from Wholesale Ted is one of the best dropshipping mentors and influencers available online that I've seen. Wholesale Ted is, I would say, primarily a YouTube channel that has the most impressive and simplified tutorials for for building a dropshipping business. There are 140 plus videos and a free ebook that covers relevant issues you need to know about dropshipping. According to her interview with entrepreneurship.com, she said that when she was 9, her father gave her the book Rich Kid, Smart Kid, as she told him she wanted to be a millionaire. Her father thought it to be the kids' version of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, but it wasn't. She explained that the book was difficult, but in her early teens she was clear with concepts about time, money and wealth. That had given her a huge head start with a financial education that, to be honest, most children never receive, and it's not something that's taught at school. Like many a New Zealander, she started working at a supermarket at 15, but she wasn't satisfied with what she was doing, as her point of view was that the 9-to-5 grind is a waste of time. She's not the kind of person that wants to waste time, and she believed she could earn more by running a business. So at 16, she quit her job and started her first successful business, an online store. Sarah said that like most successful businesses, this wasn't an overnight success. Persistence paid off and it changed her life. Now she can earn and enjoy her free time by traveling around the world. Well, maybe not during the level 4 restrictions, Sarah, but we'll all be happy when this lockdown is over. On her YouTube channel, Wholesale Ted, you'll find different case studies on e-commerce stores that are successful, different applications and online tools that you can use to automate your dropshipping business too. There's also low-cost methods to start an e-commerce business, techniques for marketing with ads, and videos related to some of those tricky legal issues that you may encounter during the construction of your dropshipping business. Most importantly, what I like about Sarah's content and advice is that she isn't trying to sell unrealistic dreams. She is very down to earth and provides very practical and realistic advice to give budding dropshipping business owners a real chance of success. Wholesale Ted offers a complete and detailed course for people interested in running a successful dropshipping business. It's $67 per month with a 7-day refund policy, and you can see the course content and process at her website, the ecomclubhouse.com. Steve Tan is a super entrepreneur in the field of e-commerce. Steve, with his brother Evan Tan, help other entrepreneurs who want to start an online dropshipping e-commerce business or those facing problems they're experiencing. Steve Tan offers a course, Ultimate E-com System, which is a detailed 4-week and 90 video introduction into the world of dropshipping. There he talks about the tools necessary for a dropshipping business and all niches and products relevant to your enterprise. The Super Tan brothers have changed the lives of thousands of their students in a short period of time. They are pretty famous in the dropshipping ecosystem worldwide, and you'll find them appearing as a guest on many e-commerce related YouTube channels because of their achievements and experience. What I really like about Steve's approach is that he offers small getaway retreats for top performing businesses and invests a lot of time in giving practical advice for his actual real life experience on scaling up. If you're accepted to one of these retreats, you're probably already doing pretty well, but looking to turn that 7-figure business into an 8 or 9-figure one, you can join their private group on Facebook, which is E-commerce Elites Mastermind. Steve started his journey in e-commerce in 2007 with eBay auctions, and in the next 2 years he founded e-commerce stores and started earning $400,000 to $500,000 a month. He was earning well at that time, and meanwhile he expanded. In 2010 he started a new startup in China. It didn't turn out as expected. The next year he started another cosmetics startup, and that didn't work out too well. There were some more of these unsuccessful ventures, but like any good entrepreneur, he learned from it. So everything changed in 2016 when he jumped back into e-commerce again. He, with the support of his brother Evan Tan, is among the top entrepreneurs and influencers of the dropshipping arena. They can scale your online business into e-commerce. Kevin David is another one of the big name entrepreneurs and mentoring thousands of dropshippers for the past 3 years. You can find answers to many questions that seem confusing on his YouTube channel, Kevin David. Kevin shares the step-by-step easiest ways to start Shopify-based dropshipping and marketing using Facebook ads. To learn more about the courses he offers, you can visit his website, officialkevindavid.com. Kevin David is now an internationally renowned speaker on e-commerce, entrepreneurship, social media, and digital businesses. He quickly grew from a 9-to-5 accountant to creating multiple 8-figure businesses. Fred Lamb is an entrepreneur and mentor that is teaching people how to run an online business. You can get great information regarding dropshipping businesses relating to Shopify, Facebook ads. You can download his free ebook to learn the tricks offered by him. The ebook contains the best, cheap, and most reliable ways to earn passive income and with minimal investment. Something we'll all be happy about. He started working as a dishwasher, but to find a better opportunity and a dream to start his own business, Fred began experimenting with online business. After going through many hurdles today, Fred is the CEO of several multi-million-dollar businesses, including iPro Academy. Fred has coached thousands of students worldwide and continues sharing his knowledge and starting from zero. Jessica Guzik from Oberlo is an entrepreneur, e-commerce business owner, and mentor. She strives to help entrepreneurs and launch brands. Her YouTube channel is very informative. At the current time, they're also offering some free courses. So if you're interested in dropshipping, you can visit her online and acquire some valuable knowledge. The course they offers previously for $50 is at the time of publishing now free by Oberlo. Just go to their website, look into Oberlo 101 and enroll yourself. There's 24 lessons in this course. Even if you are a newbie, it'll give you a complete insight into running a dropshipping business. After taking this course, you know how to make a complete dropshipping store using Shopify, launch Facebook ads, and learn how to scale your business. Bill Stenzel is another entrepreneur that can mentor you about the pros and cons of a dropshipping business. He provides different online techniques related to many categories in e-commerce to boost your results. You can also reach him via email, which is available on his YouTube channel if you're facing a specific issue in dropshipping and just looking for a bit of advice. As an entrepreneur, his goal over the last 20 years was to start up a new business every year. He's owned from brick and mortar shops to multiple online stores. He can help you establish and guide your businesses on Amazon, Shopify, eBay.com, and other e-commerce website platforms. He has online courses available on his website, billstenzel.teachable.com. You know, there are many diverse ways to find a mentor. If you're fortunate enough, you'll get a one-on-one interaction experience, but if not, you may also find one of the following ways helpful. Meetup.com is the first one, and according to Meetup.com, for the health and safety of Meetup communities, they decided that all events will be hosted online in the coming weeks. Meetup.com is a service in which you can meet with people of the same interest in person, normally. These days though, you can arrange online meetups with people worldwide and talk on shared interests to learn more about dropshipping. 10,000 Coffees is the same as Meetup.com, but with a little twist. Here you have to make your profile according to your qualifications and interests, and they'll suggest you mentors on that basis. You can ask them for an in-person meeting, although at the moment that's improbable, right? But they are also offering virtual assistance during the COVID pandemic. So it's possibly the best way to find a mentor online to collaborate and learn. You can also find mentors at LinkedIn, which is another valuable resource. Quora is another platform to find your answers, learn, and possibly a way to find a mentor. You can also find yourself a mentor by reading deeper into some of the articles and responses. Social media, forums, and online communities are going to be another way to get in there. Social media platforms as well, you can find many people that have related interests to you. Likewise, in dropshipping forums and online communities, you can also find potential mentors. What about developing your own peer group? You can also make yourself a group of like-minded peers. Everyone will have different ideas, but put your minds together and you can achieve something pretty special. So you can further speed along your progress and personal success. You know, I think the bottom line here is mentorship is very much an essential tool for dropshippers to condense a substantial amount of knowledge into a smaller amount of time. In doing so, you can learn from the successes and mistakes of others and move much faster. There will always be a person out there who can somehow motivate you and take you out from the dungeons of demotivated sludginess and anxiety that you face and give you some perspective that helps you get to the top of your game. I really hope this has been of some value. Again, if you like this video, please put the thumbs up so that we know that it was valuable, and please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make useful videos like this. And if you have any comments or feedback, please put them below and we'll read them all. Thanks.